I just have to tell you, Kaden, that I'm sorry, but I ate all your Halloween candy.
I'm sorry too.
It's all gone. Mommy got really hungry. I ate it.
Is this spaghetti still?
No, Mommy ate it all.
Oh no. Now Ron has to get some more fun for the people's house.
I don't think so, because Halloween's over.
Oh no. Hey!
It's all gone. No
Hey,
more.
Mommy. Hey, Mommy, I got an idea. Hey, I got an idea. You didn't finish with Connor's one.
Yeah, I ate it all.
Oh. Oopsies.
It's all gone.
Mommy!
Nope, it's all gone.
Mommy!
You can't have any more.
Mommy, that was not nice. Now I am very sad.
You're very sad.
Yeah.